Hello. Today we're going to be talking about the Sung Dynasty of China and Neo Confucianism. Alright, so last year we talked about Confucianism. And as people rejected Buddhism, they wanted to go back to something Chinese. Remember, the argument was that Buddhism wasn't a Chinese religion. So, under Confucianism, we have a respect for elders and ancestors. We talked about this filial piety, the idea that you respect and obey those older than you. Now, he said that there are 5 relationships in everybody's life, that you must act accordingly to these. There's the ruler, the subject, the father, the son, the older sibling and the younger sibling, the husband of the wife, and the friend and the friend. And in all of those relationships, there is one person above the other. In all of those relationships, there is someone in power and someone who should be obedient to them, with the exception of friend and friend. Now, those above, those in power, should be respectful to those. They should be kind to those below. And those below need to obey the ones above. Now, what's going to happen is with this new idea of Neo Confucianism, we're going to take some of the Buddhist thoughts and incorporate it in with Confucianism to have a blending so that people are able to accept it more readily. So we have this idea of an afterlife being added, and this idea of being active in society. And of course, the purpose was to receive peace of mind, just like Buddhism had given so many before. So, here we see with this idea, once again, there's someone above and someone below. The ruler, the parent, the boss, supposed to give kindness and love to the subject, where the subject is supposed to give respect and obedience. Alright, so now on to the Sung Dynasty. I know it's spelled like song, but it's the Sung. Now, after these exams become more popular, a new group of Chinese become predominant in power. They're called the scholar officials. Officials, people who work for the government. Scholar. Think about the word scholarship. Someone who's really good at school. Someone who's worked really hard at something to receive money. So, our smart government people. Now, the Sung Dynasty will continue to do the civil service examinations that the Tang started, but they're going to make it more open. More people can take these tests. And one of the ways they make this possible is by creating a system of state-supported schools, meaning tax dollars the government paid for the school to be able to open so that more people can attend. Now, these people are going to want these jobs because, first off, being in the government gave you respect. Secondly, you didn't have to pay taxes if you worked for the government. And finally, you didn't have to serve in the military if you worked for the government. And during this time period, we're going to see China's economy grow tremendously. Our next lecture is actually going to be on how one little itty-bitty grain of rice is going to change all of China. So, because of the economic growth, we're going to see cultural achievements and technological achievements and advancements. We're going to see China all of a sudden blossom with all of this great technology and different things. We're going to see our circle of awesome. More food equals more people equals more smart people, which equals more technological advancements. During this period as well, we're going to see the Sung actually wind up going and moving south. The Mongols are going to begin attacking, And we're going to see the northern Sung dynasty conquered by the Mongols early on, and under Kublai Khan in 1279, we're going to see the end of the Sung dynasty. Hopefully you're remembering back to our Mongol song. And here's the territory of our Sung dynasty. We see a very full China. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.